this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute tombstone box with the cute Halloween suite of products. All right, this is the cutest Halloween bundle, and it is part of the cute Halloween suite. And the cute Halloween suite includes these cute stars, this black and white gingham ribbon, the designer series paper, and tombstone boxes. They come in a set of 8 and they're super easy to assemble. They already have the adhesive on the sides, and the DSP coordinates with the punch, which is super fun. You can punch out the ghost right here, and you can also punch out the pumpkin and the cat. So I'm gonna be punching out a ghost and showing you how to do that. But there are fun dots and stripes and vampire bats and more polka dots, skulls, stripes, creepy houses, and more stripes. So super duper fun paper. So for the tombstone box, I have cut a window out using the seasonal labels dies that are in the mini catalog. And so I've already done that right here on the larger one. So when you put them next to each other, you can see that this is the smaller one because it is smaller. And so they're super easy to assemble. You're just going to fold on the score lines, starting with the sides, and then you will remove the backing and just wrap this around the 2 side tabs, and then do the same thing on the other side. So super easy to do. And there's your bottom of your box. Fun. So for the top of the box, got a little fancy. So I have a little window sheet, and this is 2.5 by 3. So 2.5 by 3. And I'm just gonna flip this over and just look at where this is placed. So I'm gonna do adhesive like in these 4 corners right here. So just a little bit in the 4 corners, right there. Okay, and then just place this over top. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to assemble the top here. Same way, fold in the sides and remove the adhesive. And then just fold it over. Super easy. Love these boxes. Okay, so that's the top of our box right here. Okay, and I forgot an important step right there. I was gonna emboss treat yourself. So let's see how this goes now that I've already assembled it. Okay, so I have my powder, and then I have my 20-year-old embossing buddy. And then I see a little star right there. I think it fell off of this one. So I'm just gonna try to grab it with the tweezers. And stick it back down. Stay there. Okay. So let's emboss this. Back to embossing. First mark is right in front of me, and then treat yourself. So just try, it'll slide a little bit, so just try to go straight down and straight up. Ugh, I didn't get it all. That's terrible. Shoot. Okay, since this is clear, I'm not sure what to do because I don't think I can fix it. Well, let's try wiping that off. And then drying it. And then we'll do the homemade embossing buddy. Woo! I think this is cornstarch I put in a little sock, pantyhose sock. Okay, so let me try this again. See, this is why you need to do it when it's flat. It'll be much easier to do. Okay, try again. Okay, I think I got it that time. So just put that on there, tap that off. Yeah, that's okay. Unfortunately, I think some of the versa mark was still there from the other one, but it's good enough, right? Gotta go with good enough. And then let's heat this up. But you gotta be careful because you've got your window sheet on there. That's why I should have done this before I put the window sheet on and before I assembled it. So now I gotta be careful. So I'm gonna heat it up over here. Okay. That was okay. All right, treat yourself. There you go. So now I'm going to punch one of these cute ghosts out of the cutest Halloween paper, and I've just cut it into a strip to make it easier. So there's my cute little ghost. So cute. And then I can trim off the rest of this. And then I'm going to stamp the pumpkin. And the pumpkin goes like that. So I'm gonna do it upside down right there. And I'm going to color it with the old olive marker and the pumpkin pie marker. So I'm just going to use the pumpkin pie marker to color the bottom here. And then the old olive to do the top of the stem and stamp that upside down. Okay, and then I can stamp this full strength, and then I'll do the pumpkin face. Here's the pumpkin face. So I've got the pumpkin pie ink. I think it's the same both ways. I think there's a thread in there. Another one. Another one. Sheesh. Okay. Is that another one right there? Okay, there we go. I have lots of threads and stuff on there. So line this up, stamp that. Got your pumpkin all filled in. Then I can go back and fill in my stem too. There's my stem. And then I can stamp my little face. I gotta do that one right side up though. Okay, I think I'm probably too far down here. There's the face, so cute. And now I can punch this out, have it hopefully in a good position. Yes, there we go. There's our pumpkin. All right, so now just need some dimensionals. Okay, and so we'll have one from the paper up here, and we'll have one that I stamped down here by the treat yourself. And then we get to put some stars on. So got a big star. I think I want the big star down here actually. And then 2 little stars. Put those up here. Whoops, I think that's where the bow is gonna go. That should be okay. And there's another star. Just press on those. Okay, so those are the stars. And now the ribbon, let's have some fun with the ribbon. Just gonna do some coloring with the blends, not the markers. So the dark pumpkin pie and the dark Highland heather. And then I'm just going to do 1 pumpkin pie every block. Yes, my pumpkin pie blends marker is very sad, but it still has ink there in the top, so still using it. However long you think you need, you just keep coloring till you think you've got it. Just a little bit more. One more. Okay. Now we can do the Highland Heather. There's a piece of something on the Highland Heather too. So if you have a lint roller, you can use a lint roller on the top of your ink pad, and that will take any like embossing powder, if you get embossing powder on there, or any fuzzies or other things that might be on your ink pad. And that'll help you have a nice clean ink pad so you don't get any embossing powder or lint on there. All right. Super cute, huh? Okay, let's make a fun bow here. Super cute bow. Super cute. Okay, I guess I could have gone a little bit more, but that's okay. Just gonna make the bow a little bit smaller then. Okie dokie. So the last step that we need to do is we need to wrap our little Hershey nuggets to put in the box. So this is the bottom of the box here. So let's clean up a little bit so I can do my little Hershey rolls. Okay, so got a bag of Hershey nuggets, and I need to get these into treat boxes and give them away before I eat them all. Woo. I've cut these strips of the cutest Halloween paper. So let's do 2 of these and 2 of those and 1 of those. I could only get 5 to fit in there. I thought I'd get 6, but I only got 5. So thus the, but you can't see because it's like down there if I hold it like that. All right, so get 5 of these. And I'm just going to put adhesive all the way down and then on the two sides. And this is a 1 inch by 3 inch strip. And then just attach it starting at the bottom. It's really easy, and just wrap it around. You've got your little cute decorated nugget. You can also do 2 inches. The 3 inches just gives you more to work with, but this works as well. You'll just start here on top in the middle, and then you'll wrap and wrap. And so it won't quite meet each other, but we're only concerned about the top anyway. So, all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these on. Okay, now I can arrange them in the box so they kind of fit like this. Oh, that one goes like that, I guess. Oh, how did this go? Doot, 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 doot. And then I did doot. So that should be the other color. Oh, well. Or I can go like, no, that should have been that color. I'm just gonna go like that. How about that? Ta-da! There's our cute little Tombstone box, treat box. So I'm offering a free class when you purchase $50. You'll also still get a celebration item if you order before September 30th. Use my hostess code on my website and email me and let me know that you would like this Halloween treat kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching my video on this Halloween project. I hope you'll check out my other videos on the cute Halloween suite, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.